Hi everyone, welcome back to Shine and Enjoy. Welcome back to a new blog. Thank you for choosing my channel. I thank everyone for supporting me and liking me and subscribing my channel. Please do share and subscribe more and send it to your friends. So today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe made up with the fish. So I'm going to boil the fish and using the flesh of the fish. I hope you guys will like the recipe. If you like it, please do share, comment and subscribe and keep supporting Shine and Enjoy. So this is a very common recipe and this is a very easy recipe too. So we all know that fish is a very nutritious food and fish contain a lot amount of protein. So if you want to take a high protein diet, so you should try this recipe. So stay tuned to Shine and Enjoy and check it out. So for this recipe, firstly I'm going to chop some tomato. So I'm going to take half tomato and chop it nicely. And then I'm going to chop some green chilies. So I like to have more spicy stuff, so I am taking like 6-7 green chilies. If you don't like it, you can customize it according to your need. Next I'm going to chop some ginger. So ginger is very healthy and ginger has a lot of antioxidant, so we should include ginger in our food. So I'm going to chop some ginger. After that, I'm going to chop some coriander leaf to have a fresh flavor on my food. So the ingredients that you need is 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt and sugar according to your taste. Then you need some cumin powder, you need some meat masala, and you need some coriander powder. So in raw vegetables, I'm taking chopped tomato. I chop 1 garlic, 1 whole big size of garlic. I chop like 1 big onion, and as I show you guys, I chop some chili and ginger. So here I already boiled my fish and take out the flesh of it. So I am using tuna fish, which is easily available here. You can use any kind of fish that is available in your hands, like you can use rahu, you can use any other fish that has a good flesh. So here you go, I'm ready to cook my food. So here I started to heat my pan in the flame, and I'm going to use very less oil. I'm going to use like 2 tablespoons of oil, and then I'm going to put some chopped ginger along with the chopped chili, and then I'm going to put the chopped garlic. So I'm going to fry it until it's going to be brown, because otherwise it has a raw smell. I don't like the raw smell. After that I'm going to put some onion. I'm going to fry all of this very well until it gets brown. it gets brown, then I add my tomato and I fry it. After that, I put all the spices one by one and mix it very well. And then after the spice a little bit fried, I'm going to put some water in it. In the slurry mixture, I'm going to put my fish on it and I'm going to stir it very well. After that, I'm going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes so that all the water is soaked and my fish is totally cooked and totally fried with all my ingredients and all the spices. After 15 minutes, you can see all the water will be dry out, and at that point you would know that your fish bharta is done. So at this point, I'm going to add some fresh coriander leaves and mix it very well. And here you go, you can have a very easy fish bharta at your home. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like it, please try it at your home and stay tuned to Shine and Enjoy. Please share and subscribe, and please share your more love to me, and please make this recipe at your home and comment me if you like it or not. And I will see you guys in my next video, so stay tuned to Shine and Enjoy, and until then, bye.